Hi friends, welcome back. Today we'll see TrueNAS Saving Config Upgrade and Smart Test. Let's go to Save Config upon clicking the button on the top right, the blue button, and then it gets saved into the disk. And for upgrade, we can click on the TrueNAS logo and it appears upgrade from version so and so to version number which is the latest, and then click on the install manual update file or download updates, either one. So I'm choosing download update file, and it mentions save configuration settings from this machine before updating. So it's always good to back up the existing config, and download update pop-up is shown. Check and then update. Update takes a couple of minutes. And then it shows the latest version number. Now for smart test, we need to have the pool initiated. So let's create a pool. I'm just mentioning the TN pool here. And then if we have enough disks and our storage design has got something for log, spare, cache, or metadata, then we need to offer them. Otherwise, data is must. I meant the data disk. And here it pops up a warning related to the encryption. So it's up to you whether to choose the encryption or not. So clicking next. For the data, you need to enter the label. And then the selection, whether it has to be stripe or mirror or any type of rate. TrueNAS, as most of us know, it supports GFS as default. So in the automated disk selection, if we have multiple disks, then weight and number of disks can be mentioned accordingly. So here I have one disk that I chose here. And then there is a manual disk selection as well under the advanced options. Click next, and this is for the log. Next, if we want to provision a spare. Next, it is for cache. Next, it is for metadata. Next, it is for dedupe. That's for the advanced config, those who wish to have. And then I'm clicking on the create pool. It shows warning that data might get destroyed. I'm okay with that. So create pool is done. So it shows the stats related to the users, the topology, which mentioned data VDEVs and all remaining VDEVs, and disk health is shown there. GFS health is also shown in a different widget. Now it shows number of disks. So it shows the data disk as well as the port pool, which is shown as SDA. And now select the data pool only and then click manual text, manual smart test. So here STB chosen, continue in background is selected. So smart test gets done in the background. Now smart test is completed. Now dataset creation can be proceeded. Here for the dataset options, it can be generic or SMB or apps or multipurpose. So if we are specifically using it for SMB, then SMB can be chosen. If we want to use the disk for NFS also, then multi-protocol can be chosen. So I'm choosing the data set to be created. Start SMB services is selected and click start. Now there is another data set created for the apps. Under the advanced options, any additional details for the name and other options can be chosen here. So two data sets have been created.